My name is Kiprop Kimutai. I'm a writer from Kenya, fiction writer, and I'm here to speak about my writing on ancient human heritage in East Africa. So I was really moved by Amarachi's performance. It felt necessary. Like we got the academe part of it, and then this was for the soul. This was healing. This was telling us why the work we do as Africans matters and why we need like all kinds of Africans speaking about Africa and knowledge production. And just listening to her, I was taken back to home, to my village, to my grandmothers, to our way of being and all the things that I've sort of have to run away from because of the scurry and scramble of life. I mean, I'm here like in the US, for example, but then to just go home to that place where I was loved, where I didn't need to do anything. And I think Amarachi has the ability to take you to that place of pure comfort, pure joy, complete trust, and fantastic. I think she needs to go to all the spaces and just heal more people. Like, as she healed me, I think if I could feel like some therapeutic something from this experience, I'm sure other people can feel it as well. So appreciative, so grateful for our work.